Here's a couple methods to diagnose sound issues with my Replacement Squawk and Talk and Sounds Plus Vocalizer boards. There's an LED in the corner of the WAV player that comes on every time it's making sounds. If the lights are coming on and you're not seeing sounds, there's probably a problem with your speaker wiring or the speaker itself. When you first power up the machine, you will see the LED flash 3 times real quickly. This means that the microSD card is working and it can read sounds off that. If it flashes about 8 to 11 times, you got something wrong with your microSD card. You might want to copy the files to a higher quality 32 gig or less microSD card. After it flashes 3 times, it'll wait a little bit and then it'll say the name of the game, the light will come on, and there might be some startup sounds where it's also lighting the light. After that, the light will go out because there are no sounds and it'll just flash periodically saying that it's awake. Once you start a game, it'll come on solid, at least for this game. Let me power it up and I'll show you the startup sequence. Look for the 3 flashes. There's the 3 flashes.
Electra.
There was the name of the game and some startup sounds.
You have been exposed to Electra's radiation. Will you return?
More startup sounds, and you can see the LED went out. That means there are no sounds coming out of it anymore. You can also diagnose things by pressing the test button. The light will come on
You have been exposed
while it's
to
outputting
Electra's
sounds.
radiation. Will you return? Satellite data in position. You have broken the light barrier.
And now it's out again, so there's no sounds coming out. Now I'll start a game and you'll see it come on solid. So the same diagnostics can be done on my Replacement Sounds Plus Vocalizer board. Just watch the LED in the corner of the WAV player. There's the 3 flashes. And then there's some startup sounds. And then there's no sound coming out, so it's quiet. It's just flashing it periodically. So you can press the button to test the sounds. Anytime sounds are playing, the light is on. So if the light's on and you're not hearing sound out of your speaker and the board's acting this way, you probably have a problem with your speaker or your wiring. Xenon's a little bit different when you play a game. It's not on constantly because each of the background tones are called by themselves, so the light will flash while it's playing. Here's a startup. Hope that helps diagnose some sound issues.